Gosh, it's raining, guys. Look over there. Just kidding. He's riding up there. Up here. Up there. And down here, it was raining right here. Right here. All the way to right here. And right there. And it went all the way over here. To over here. To over there. All the way over there, so over here, and over there, and over there. Oh my gosh. It's like literally dripping on my head. Better watch out, because it can be annoying.
¿La puedes poner allá?